After a restful night's sleep, the first of 3 at the Casa de Casal de Loivos, our very accommodating innkeeper, Maria, provided us with a special surprise. The boat tour on the Douro River that she had arranged for us, we soon discovered, was going to be a very intimate adventure for just Susan and I, plus the boat captain. There are many boat tours that course the river every day, loaded with vacationers, but this customized trip for 2 was uniquely delightful and unexpected. And the friendly captain even brought along wine and snacks of charcuterie, cheese, and crackers. We motored east on the river for about an hour, surrounded by vineyards whose grapevines seemed to cascade down the mountainsides. Our destination was the Quinta de São José, where we took a short tour of the grounds and then enjoyed a delicious wine tasting. Then it was back to Pinhão for lunch, under the oranges at a wonderful little eatery owned by a Brazilian family. We took a taxi back up the mountain to Casal de Loivos and just chilled out for the rest of the afternoon. Afterward, we decided we'd walk down the mountainside to have dinner in Pinhão. Maria seemed a bit protective of us, her guests, hinting that such a walk would be quite challenging. But seeing our enthusiasm, she directed us to a pathway alongside the manor house as a good starting point and a more direct route than the roadway. Well, it turned out that this route could not have been more idyllic. Here we are walking down the mountainside from Casa de Casal de Loivos to Pinhão. We walked as if traveling an ancient path that ancestors before had nobly traversed over centuries of work in the vineyards. We eventually came to a roadway that brought us into town, and with the spirits of our forebears guiding us, we found a small family-style restaurant for our supper. Here there were no menus. The cheerful chef somehow communicated across my halting Portuguese and Susan's cheerful smiles to simply bring us delicious homemade food that one can only find in the most ordinary of places. With that, we finished the day and found a taxi near the train station to take us back up the mountain.